We say thank you very much. Thank you for the food. Madam Sipran, this one is good for dinner talaga. Mostly this one is good for dinner. I call this one pataya. I don't know the exactly pronounce of this one. Pataya. Okay? And this one, cheese. This one is my favorite. All of this one talaga. I like this one. Yeah. Cheese and cheese or sometimes satar and sometimes also most ano lang, chocolate. Okay, like a Nutella ba. Okay, so that's why this one also is another brand. But it's this one. It's a delicious food for dinner. You can order samosa. Excuse. Excuse this throat of my throat. This one, it's very cold. This one, only ready for the dinner. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the food that you are given to share with us. That our stomach is make happy. Thank you, madam. Thank you. And God bless us all and more blessings. And bye.